Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting showdown between two innovative fitness machines. On the left, we have the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill, and on the right, we have the UREVO walking pad. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in. The Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill is a versatile fitness machine. It can transform from a regular treadmill to a jogging machine, making it perfect for those who need versatility. On the other hand, the UREVO walking pad features a sleek and compact design that can be easily stored under the bed, making it a great choice for those with limited space. When it comes to motor power, both the Goplus treadmill and the UREVO walking pad have a powerful 2.25 HP motor. This ensures a smooth and quiet operation for both machines, allowing you to exercise without disturbing others. In terms of features, the Goplus treadmill comes with a non-slip running belt, a multifunctional LED display, and even a Bluetooth speaker, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music while working out. It also has a phone holder for added convenience. On the other hand, the UREVO walking pad comes with a remote control and a magnet to prevent losing it. It even has a mute button for those moments when you need some peace and quiet. Both the Goplus treadmill and the UREVO walking pad are priced at $299, making them budget-friendly options. You can't go wrong with either choice when it comes to value for money. Based on online reviews, customers have provided positive feedback for both the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill and the UREVO walking pad. Customers appreciate the Goplus treadmill for its suitability for walking and its Bluetooth speakers. On the other hand, the UREVO walking pad is praised for its compact size, convenience, and customization options. And there you have it, the comparison between the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill and the UREVO walking pad. Both products have their unique features and advantages. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. The links to the products are in the description. Stay tuned for more product comparisons on Buy Smart.